Today we will be testing the Relative Trend Index indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Relative Trend Index indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 87 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 894 indicators, with 375 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 94 of the winning indicators. 34 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we are testing the Relative Trend Index indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. If I scroll back here a little bit, let's see, there we go. You can see here that we have a setup kind of similar to the RSI, but with a little bit of a difference to it. And so what we are looking for is going to be the green and red kind of clouds that form here below and above the indicator. And so when we get a green cloud like this, when the relative trend index line crosses above this upper dashed line, that's going to be a signal to go long. When we get a red cloud here and the relative trend index line crosses down below the lower dashed line, that's going to be a signal to go short. So that's how we're going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that cross of the upper dashed line right here, and we pick up a little bit of that green cloud. You can see that we enter here, we get a pullback immediately, and it just kind of runs into consolidation, bouncing back and forth right here, right in the same kind of general area before it then makes a push to the upside and does eventually come up on this wick right here and hits our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that cross above the upper dash line right here, and immediately we get that heavy pullback once again, and doesn't quite stop us out right here. It gets really close, but not quite. Make a push back to the upside, not able to break through this area here, and we then roll over and make a push back down, which is going to then stop us out. We'll then pick up a short signal right here as we cross down below the lower dash line, and you see that we make a nice push to the downside, and that one does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing, that way things are too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the strategy that we've developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I will link to it up in the corner of the screen, and I will link to it at the end of this video, and so you can click on either one of those links and go straight to the source video. It's a proven profitable trading strategy that we have back tested and forward tested. We are constantly tweaking and optimizing and making small changes to make it better. We are also looking to automate the strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. Once we get that done, any of our current patrons at the time will get access to it at a discounted price, and then any new patrons will also have access to it, but at a more expensive price. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here and dial this back a little bit there. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. And so that isn't going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Got really close. We might maybe see about revisiting this. Not really 100% sure on that. I think it definitely was doing pretty decent in the beginning of the year, and then right here it just kind of took a lot of losing trades kind of back to back, and that really did knock down the win rate quite a bit. I feel like there was room for it to do better, but we'll see. Might test it again, but for now it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.